So there is actually a study that we did a year ago, and we published in JAMA, Journal of American Medical
Yep, I
Association.
actually subscribe to JAMA.
We show 90% effectiveness.
90% effectiveness.
But Doc, I don't understand this because honestly, I have a really bad hiccup problem. It's happened to me about 4 times in my life where I have them for probably about 12 hours. I have to either take muscle relaxers or Valium. I just took a sip of this. It's like, I don't understand. It feels like just regular water going in.
Sure. I can show you how does it work. Several things can cause hiccups, such as acid reflux disease, carbonated soda, alcoholic beverage, or spicy food, right?